In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to animate a background in Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and you'll either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, look over to the left-hand column of menu options and look for projects and click on it when you find it. Now, when you do this, Canva will present you with all of the projects that you're currently working on. And what you need to do is locate the project that you'd like to animate the background of and click on it when you find it. And when you do, Canva will open up the project inside of a new window within Canva's design editor. Now, once your project is up, you first need to add your background. So navigate over to the left-hand column of options within the design editor and either click on elements or uploads depending on where you're going to get the background from. So I'm just going to use one of Canva's presets. Once you find it, whether you're within uploads or the elements, simply click on it and drag it onto your screen. And when you do that, there will be a toolbar that appears right above your background. Click on the horizontal three dots denoting more actions. And once you're presented with this menu of actions, click on Set Image as Background. So now that we have our background set, click on the background of the design and you'll see a top row or a toolbar of actions. You want to look for Animate, and once you find it, click on Animate, and when you do that, you will see a page animation side peek reveal itself, and within this side peek you will see featured animations as well as general animations, and you will also see suggested animations. So as you hover over an animation, so these seem to be more for text, so we won't see anything there. But if we come down to one of the general animations, as you can see, when you hover over one of the animations, it will preview on your design on the right-hand side of the page. So these won't work well because we don't have any elements on the page. Some of them will. But when you click on an animation, you will notice that there are configurations that you can make, such as the intensity and direction. But something to note is that these configurations are going to be different depending on the animation that you select. So once you find an animation that you like, you can configure it, and you can use the slider to configure the intensity of the animation. As well as for this one, we can change the direction. So once you are happy with your animated background within your design and you're ready to download it, simply look over to the top right corner, click on Share, and when you do, come down to Download, click on Download, and under File Type, click the drop down and make sure that you select MP4 video or PPTX for a PowerPoint format in order for the actual animation to be visible and to work. And if you would like, you can also use the quality slider to configure the quality that you'd like to download the file in. And when you're ready, come down to the download button and simply click on download. last thing to note is if you do not like the animation that you've selected, you can simply come to the side peak and click on remove all animations, and the animation will be removed. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there's anything that I may have missed or any points during the tutorial where you felt lost or any questions at all, please feel free to drop them in the comment section of the video below. Thank you for watching the video.